PAGANI Design 2024. New men's watches. Top luxury quartz watch for men. Auto date speed chronograph. AR Sapphire Mirror wrist watch. The PAGANI Design 2024. Men's watch is a luxury quartz timepiece designed for both style and functionality. Here are some of its key features. Quartz Movement ensures accurate timekeeping with minimal maintenance. Auto date function provides convenience with automatic date display. Speed chronograph offers precise timing and measurement functions. Useful for tracking elapsed time. AR Sapphire Mirror features a high-quality sapphire crystal with anti-reflective coating for durability and clarity. Luxury design combines elegance with a modern aesthetic. Suitable for various occasions. This watch is designed to appeal to those seeking a blend of luxury, functionality, and robust performance.